Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying the essentials so you can act fast. Confirm your microphone or headset is physically connected and chosen in both the application and the operating system. Once done, close any other programs that might grab audio, browsers, calls, or recording software because they steal the device. Make sure microphone permissions are enabled for the app. If they were off, turn them on and relaunch the app immediately to force a fresh audio handshake. Next, dive into the application settings. Explicitly choose the correct input and output devices, then use the app's mic test to confirm signal. If that fails, update your audio drivers or reinstall them and run the operating system's sound troubleshooter to reset device states. Additionally, make sure no app has exclusive control and set the sample rate to 44. 1 or 48 kHz to avoid mismatches. These steps resolve common. Finally, address network and codec causes. Check NAT and port configurations, and if possible, plug into wired Ethernet or switch networks to rule out packet loss. Force the application to use a different audio codec or lower the bitrate to prevent dropped voice frames, because codecs and bandwidth often determine success. If problems persist, test the same account on another device to isolate whether it's hardware, system settings, or your account, and if that fails, reboot your router as a last quick troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.